Now it's time for the Intense 5, and you know enough things did go on. Let's go. Kinda hard to not start out with something negative, but the crime situation has really gotten out of hand. Beautiful Jamaica, the murder capital of the Caribbean. Oh boy, we need to fix this.
Urgently. Vaccines should be here this month. I'm sure it's still a certain set of people to get the first dose, but at least it's coming.
The silhouette challenge. I don't know, like I saw Spice's own, quite creative. Head top and all these things in true Spice style.
You get them.
Yeah.
Trey Songz is going hard, real publicity stunt again. Just drop the song or album or whatever you have to drop, sir. We're waiting.
Yeah. And finally holding the spot this week, Skillibeng's video, with parts of it shot in the crashed plane by Rocky Point. I think a few people were surprised to see that he used the plane, but JCF and CAA say they have concluded their investigations, so free for all.
And that you say?
You go there?
Yeah,
you gotta pay the grand.
I gotta pay the grand for going
You
there.
gotta look at the new tourist attraction.
I'm gonna vlog it. Love that.
Let me know when you're done. But guys, look out for Ashley on the crash plane and her pictures with the crash plane on her YouTube and Instagram coming soon.
You know the vibes.
But that's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Remember to check out our videos on Instagram at TVJ Intense.